I'm Erin Davidson, and I am one of the chairs of Winterfest EMS.
And I am Caitlin Killian. I'm a paramedic here in Talbot County, and I am also one of the co-chairs of Winterfest EMS. Winterfest is one of the longest running EMS conferences in the state. We are in a very accessible location, especially here on the shore. You can come across the bridge, you can come up from the beach. It is a weekend full of continuing education. We cover medical topics, trauma topics. You have your BLS skills. We often offer pediatric training as well with the EMSC department from MIMS. So there's something for everybody here at Winterfest EMS. Our exhibition hall covers anybody from our flashlights, our fire rescue equipment, to our medical equipment, and anything in between that you might need on the unit, off the unit, that's relevant to emergency services.
And billing services.
And billing services. We want our people to not just necessarily sit in chairs the entire conference. We want them to get hands-on, to be interactive with one another, to learn these skills and make sure that they're proficient at them so they can take everything that they learned this weekend, whether they're in the chair or up doing the things, and apply it to their clinical practice in the field.